Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8,000 pusau.
O President jang Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala haka arpu tarik unai lor 8,000 pusau. Ula ong bagaseng Congress kan nam Ïatreilang Badno ru haka election siteng samoy na Gambegre constituency na marba kaladon laujong ukurtong. Haka jing keren bat kilat patai kubor uba Pala ula ong baga TMC ka NPP bat ka BJP kila bandon laki jong gi kertong mereka Congress kan yakun bej marway ban job biang ya ka election ha Gambegre constituency.
See, I think you are wrong that Congress is working together with MC. The mandate given by the people to sit in the opposition, whether one party, two party, three parties, for the interests of the people of Meghalaya, we have to take certain issues. It's not that, like I say, we can agree or disagree with the issues, but certain things as an opposition you have to perform, you have to have together. Whatever we think that it fits and proper for the people of Meghalaya, we should take it together. It's not that we are working together.
Mapala, you mentioned
for the Gambegre election, we will have our own candidate, TMC their own candidate, BJP, NPP, they may have their own candidate, but we have no understanding for the Gambegre elections. We'll have our own candidate.